In this video, you'll learn how to clear your search history on eBay. By following these steps, you will manage your preferences effectively while enhancing your online privacy. Start by logging into your eBay account, either through the website or the mobile app. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Tap inside the search field to reveal your previous searches. At this point, eBay may display a list of recent keywords that you've used for browsing. Reviewing your search history allows you to manage your preferences more effectively. Next, look for the option to remove or clear your recent searches. If you were using the mobile app, you might see a small clear or delete icon next to your search history. Click on this icon to proceed. Depending on the version you are using, you may have the option to select specific searches to remove or clear all searches at once. Make your selection and confirm the action to delete the stored search data. After you have cleared your search history, refresh the page. This is important as it ensures that the previous search suggestions no longer appear in the search bar. You can continue browsing normally, enjoying a clean search history. Regularly managing your search data not only improves your browsing experience, but also helps you find items faster and more efficiently. Maintaining organized search results is vital for a streamlined shopping experience. Additionally, keeping your searches cleared enhances your privacy, which is an essential aspect of online safety. Being mindful of your search history contributes to smarter account management and usability. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.